Hello. Today we'll be talking about the general version of Mewton's second law. Last video we talked about this form. F, the force of a mu, is equal to smiley face acceleration. Just to recap, smiley face is the 41st root of 67, or Mueller's constant. But today we're going to talk about a more complex, generalized version. Basically, force of a mu is equal to Toasty sub h, Toasty sub handsomeness, Toasty sub charisma squared times acceleration. Now, there's a lot of unanswered questions, so we'll be solving it here. Basically, as you can see, there are two new variables, Toasty sub h and Toasty sub c. Now, Toasty sub h, or Toasty sub handsomeness, is just the amount of change dependent on mass for handsomeness, which is smiley face to the power of 3 minus m over 2. And Toasty sub c, or Toasty sub charisma, is just the change in charisma dependent on mass as well, which is smiley face to the power of m plus 1 over over 4 minus m minus 1 over 4. Now this may look complicated, but it isn't. All we're doing is just inputting what mass is into this equation. So it isn't that complicated. Now, acceleration is just acceleration. But usually it's in kilometers an hour to convert to Newtons, which is the form of measuring force in a mu. Now, why are these the numbers? Because I made them up. Alright, now let's go and solve an example. Now let's use our mascot, Timmy Bob. He is mewing at an astonishing rate of 30 kilometers an hour. And he is using a two-finger mew. Two-finger mew. Nice. Now, since there's two fingers, that means the mass equals 2, and 30 kilometers, the acceleration is 30. Now let's plug in the numbers. Basically, for Toasty sub h, we're gonna do smiley face to the power of 1 over 2, because 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now we're going to multiply that by this massive equation. But this is actually simple. Just 3 over... Okay, so let's input the numbers. 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4. Oh wait, no, 1 over 4. And now, times 30. Now we can simplify this into smiley face to the power of 15, 3 over 15 over 4. And now we can turn that into, wait a second, I swear I'm wrong. Oh yeah, no. So, becomes smiley face to the power of 12 over 15, which becomes 4 over 5. So now we have, and now we add 4 over 5 plus 1 over 2, which equals 9 over 10. So now we have a simple equation. Smiley face to the power of 9 over 10 times 30. Simple as that. Now, what do we do now? Well, since the smiley face is approximately 1.107, we can estimate the root. So this is really close to 1. This is basically approximately 1. So let's just take away, bang. So therefore, we get an approximate approximation of, let's just erase all this junk. Erase. Also erase. Alright, we get approximate calculation of 33 Mewtons. Very impressive. Now, just to recap, this is the formula, generalized formula. The force of a mu equals Toc sub h, Toc sub c squared, times a. Easy. And Toc sub h, or Toc sub handsomeness, is smiley face to the power of 3 minus m over 2. And Toc sub c, or Toc sub charisma, equals smiley face to the power of m plus 1 over 4 minus m minus 1 over 4. Easy. And acceleration, and a is acceleration, but in kilometers an hour, so that we can convert it directly into Mewtons. Easy.